Imagine a sunny day in your garden, surrounded by dead leaves, broken branches, and bulky debris. You have spent hours gathering them, and yet it seems there is no end in sight. But wait. What if I told you that there is a revolutionary solution to turn this chore into a quick, efficient, and even enjoyable task? Allow me to introduce the SuperHandy Wood Chipper, a powerful and compact shredder that will change the way you manage green waste forever. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of satisfied customer reviews, and order yours at the best price right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover our selection of the best products on the market every day. This product is ideal for amateur and professional gardeners looking to manage green waste efficiently. It is perfect for those who want to save time and keep an outdoor space clean and safe. The SuperHandy Wood Chipper is much more than just a gardening tool. It is a jewel of technology and performance designed to meet the needs of both amateur and professional gardeners. Equipped with a 7 HP horizontal single-cylinder OHV engine, this chipper is capable of processing branches up to 3 inches in diameter without any issues. Imagine the power at your disposal, capable of reducing your green waste in no time. This shredder is not only powerful, but it is also extremely efficient. With a reduction ratio of 15:1, it can chip, grind, and reduce a high volume of branches, limbs, and debris through its large extended chipping chute. This means that you can turn a huge pile of branches into a much smaller pile of chips, ready to be used as mulch or easily disposed of. It is not only a considerable time saver, but also an environmentally friendly way to manage your green waste. The design of the SuperHandy Wood Chipper is one of a kind. It is compact and lighter than other steel chippers, making it easy to maneuver and transport in your garden. The extended vertical discharge chute with an adjustable discharge guide allows for precise debris discharge with an angle range from 20 to 130 degrees. You can direct the chips exactly where you need them, whether into a collection bag or directly onto the ground as mulch. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. Safety is a priority with the SuperHandy Wood Chipper. It is essential to follow the instructions in the user manual and to wear appropriate protection for the hands and eyes. This shredder is EPA CARB certified, ensuring that it meets strict environmental standards. Additionally, it can be used to help prevent fires by creating fire breaks, a feature particularly useful in areas prone to wildfires. One of the advanced features of this chipper is its 2 ultra-sharp cutting blades. These blades allow for quick and efficient cutting with a long lifespan, thereby reducing the need for frequent replacements. The AlphaWorks engine of 104 2016cc ensures stable performance and requires little maintenance, meaning less time spent taking care of the machine and more time enjoying your garden. The SuperHandy Wood Chipper is also designed to be user-friendly. Despite its power, it is easy to assemble, and with a weight of 40.307 kg, it is easy to store when not in use. Furthermore, although it is gas-powered, it operates with recommended unleaded gasoline 427 without ethanol, which is readily available. The effectiveness of this product is confirmed by its users with a rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars based on over 330 reviews. It is clear that this product has managed to satisfy many customers. Users praise its robustness, performance, and ease of use. Reviews also highlight its ability to quickly process large quantities of debris, making gardening tasks much more manageable. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, engine power. With a 7 HP horizontal single-cylinder OHV engine, it can easily process branches up to 3 inches in diameter. Advantage number 2, compact and lightweight, easy to maneuver and transport in the garden. Advantage number 3, effective reduction of debris. A reduction ratio of 15:1 allows for a significant decrease in the volume of waste. Advantage no, certified safety compliant with EPA CARB standards, ensuring safe use. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, noise level. Being gas-powered, it can be quite loud during use. Disadvantage number 2, maintenance required. Although reduced, maintenance of the gasoline engine is necessary for optimal performance. In conclusion, the SuperHandy Wood Chipper is an essential tool for any serious gardener. Its power, efficiency, and ease of use make it a wise investment for transforming your gardening tasks. Don't let debris take over your space. Experience the difference with the SuperHandy Wood Chipper. To order at the best price, learn more, and see hundreds of customer reviews, click on the link in the description right now. With that, I sincerely thank you for your attention. Subscribe to the channel to discover the best products every day and take care of yourself.